So guys, does your roof or ditch molding look like this? Very dried out, basically falling out. So let's just go ahead and take this one out. And would you rather have it look like this? Well, stay tuned. We're about to rip this old rotted one out and put in a new carbon fiber one. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Pete's Carport. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly, easily, and very cheaply swap out your old rotted ditch molding for a carbon fiber 3M style. Now, I might have ran into the same problem that a lot of you guys are probably watching this video for, and that is you have an old rotted, dried out ditch molding or roof molding, however you want to call it, and you looked online, tried to figure out what you can replace it with, and you couldn't find this part. Now, it might be out there, but the forums I found said they don't make it anymore. I couldn't find a direct replacement, and a lot of people said go down and get some door molding, door trim, one of those type of things. And I knew down at the auto parts store they made like chrome pieces that were like this, and I was thinking they had to have something black. And when I got there, they actually came out with a carbon fiber version. So this is that 3M. It's kind of like a rubbery thing, and the carbon fiber looked pretty cool. I mean, look at this in the sun. It's got a nice little weave to it. And my original idea was this is a lot wider than what our ditch molding is, but you can see the ditch molding has some thickness to it because it sits in that deep well. So my original idea was to cut this and maybe put like some double-sided strip down and then put this down on top of that so that it would be raised up to the right height. And playing around with it, I figured out a way where we can just roll this. So we can take this and roll it right down the middle and squeeze it right into our ditch hole. So it came out really well. I was very satisfied with it, and I wanted to share it with you. And this is the product I picked up. I got it from AutoZone, and I'm sure you can either order it online. It's the 3/4 inch. It's a 12 foot, so you have plenty of length. And let me see, it's 3M. See if there's a number right there, S37200. So if you need to pick that up and you're not in an area where there's an AutoZone, you can probably order this online. Let's step over to the car. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I put it in quickly, easily, and like I said, cheaply. So 25 bucks for this entire roll. Now, the first thing I did was clean the ditch area down with some degreaser. I made sure to use a heavily diluted solution so I wouldn't mess up any of the paint. So the next thing I did was cut the carbon fiber molding slightly larger than the size I needed, peeled back some of the red tape, and began to fold the carbon fiber molding into place. Now, it was a very hot day out in Florida, so I was able to bend this easily. You may want to use a heat gun on a very low setting, or a blow dryer would be a little bit easier. Just make sure you're careful with not overheating either the molding or the paint surrounding it. Now, once I reached the end, I decided to cut it more to the size that I needed, but left a little bit overhang. Then I folded the rest of the carbon fiber into place and recut it to fit perfectly. Now, as you can see, it looks a little wavy, but most of this will press out with your finger, and if you let it sit in the sun, it'll even flatten out more, and I'll show you that on the other side, as the other side has been sitting in the sun for quite some time. Although it's not perfect, I absolutely love it, and I hope this inspires you and helps you out if you're looking to change the way your ditch molding looks. You guys have a great day, a blessed week, and I'll catch you on the next video.